Hey, hey everyone, welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, I'm going to talk about the most important and interesting concept which is a GitHub Copilot. So guys, I'm trying to add this extension to my Visual Studio. So I just went to these extensions, I searched for this GitHub Copilot and then I just installed it. And upon installing it, it will ask you to sign in to the account as and when you perform a sign in operation, right? So it is asking you to authorize that. So authorize the Visual Studio to this particular one. I was just clicking on this authorize. That's it, guys. So as and when it got authorized, the connection got established. And see here, toggle the chat. And here, if you click on it, automatically the GitHub Copilot chat option is prompting for us. So Surendra, what is the beauty with respect to this Copilot? Why you have added? So guys, in the upcoming sessions, if you observe, whenever you are trying to write some piece of a code, automatically your Copilot itself is prompting us the lot of codes that we will be seeing in the upcoming sessions. Okay, I'll show you. So all these lines of a code, right? So whenever you are trying to write something, your Copilot itself is prompting you in writing that piece of a code that we will be looking at as part of the upcoming sessions. The simple thing is go to the extensions, choose the GitHub Copilot, sign into that and then authorize it from your GitHub web account so that your account will be activated on this Copilot and the chat box will be enabled for you. Once you are done with the Copilot installation, right? So there is an option that it is prompting at the bottom, which is to finish the setup of that Copilot. Okay, finish the setup of that Copilot. I'm just clicking on this finish setup and set up a Copilot. Okay, set up a Copilot and I'm just setting it up for now. Okay, that's it, guys. As and when you set it up, so this is how it's gonna looks like. You can ask anything, you can choose an agent, you can type anything, all the details will be pre-populated here. Okay, all the details will be pre-populated here. That's it. So this is the only chunk that we need to do in setting up this Copilot. So in the upcoming sessions, we will be looking at the beauty how exactly this Copilot is helping us in writing down the code. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. See you in the next session. Thank you.